Hello everyone, welcome to winsides.com. In this video, we will check out how to enable LPR Port Monitor on Windows 11. To open this feature, go to Run and enter the command appwiz.cpl. You can find this in the description also, then click OK. This command will open Programs and Features window. On the left pane, you can find Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. Now, Windows Features dialog will open. Here you can find a lot of optional features. Scroll down and locate Print and Document Services. Expand it. You can find LPR Port Monitor. Click on the checkbox next to it and then click OK. Windows will now search for the required files. Windows will then apply all the necessary changes. And that's it. Windows has completed the requested changes. A restart now is highly recommended. LPR Port Monitor is now enabled on Windows 11.